Oh, you're going to love this one today. We're talking 3 ingredients, 1 pan, 5 minutes. We are getting brunchy with it. We're going to give you a meal that has a lot of protein, that makes you feel good. And at the end, we're going to add a little anti-inflammatory flair to it. Let's go. As I said, we're getting brunchy with it. This is a meal you can have for breakfast, for lunch, for in between breakfast and lunch. You can have it for dinner. You can have it for, I don't know, dinner, like lunch, dinner kind of thing. Works anytime. We're going to start with ingredient number 1, which is one of my favorite ways to have any kind of meal. It's building the base. Veggies. You can use rice cauliflower. This is Trader Joe's. I actually, for this meal, I'm going to do a combination of rice cauliflower and riced broccoli. You could buy different packages, put it together, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do rice, cauliflower, and broccoli. So I'm just heating up the pan. I'm going to put some butter in. You can use oil, but because we're getting brunchy, we're going butter. All right, that's cooking. And then we're going to throw in some of the rice, cauliflower, and broccoli. Wow, a cup or two. You as much or as little as you want. You know, people say, well, Ryan, how much? How much do I do? You do you. And I put this in frozen. So that's the nice thing about this stuff. You can go frozen right into the pan. And it's going to take about 3 minutes. And it starts getting ready and cooked. All right, so as that's getting ready, we are going ingredient number 2, ladies and gentlemen. It can't be brunchy without eggs. I mean, I love eggs. You really can have them anytime. So for this, you could do 2 eggs. I'm going to do 3 eggs. Let's get cracking. Once the broccoli or it's cauliflower or rice cauliflower broccoli is ready, again, about 3 minutes, because as I promised, this is a 5-minute meal with a couple of minutes of me talking. And I love when they said, a line, a guy will like, just stop talking and cut. Like, what am I, your chef? I like giving my little annoying, slightly sarcastic stories. Okay, so here's my hack, because who has time to clean another bowl? I go right in, because why not? Crack them right in. Even if you like them scrambled, so because I love scrambled eggs, I mix it up right in together. Now, yes, you can add salt, you can add pepper, you can add whatever flavors you want. Go crazy. But look how good this is looking. So you've got all of those veggies already there. You've got the protein from the eggs. You've got all the nutrients from the veggies. You've got everything in one place. And the heat is about medium-ish. And as you can see, so there's the rice, cauliflower, and broccoli were about 3 minutes frozen. The eggs, I just like to mix them a lot here. And it's crazy that you could go right into the pan and go scrambled. All right, so these are ready. Time to plate. I mean, look at that. Now, I promised you 3-ingredient meal, something that's a little bit more brunchy. Let's brunch this up. So I'm a big fan of avocados. If you don't want to slice them up, go guac. What you can do is get a nice tablespoon or 2 of guac and put it right next to, put it right next to your breakfast. Look at that. You can have a couple of spoonfuls, but it's going to help keep you full for longer too, because some people say, well, Ryan, your meals are only like 250, 300 calories. I'm starving. The guac's going to help keep you full as well. Now, I said you want to make it anti-inflammatory. This is where you can add some of the chia seeds, the flax seeds, the hemp seeds. So I like this one from Amazon. I have a link below where it's all 3 combined, the chia, the flax, and the hemp. And I'll just take a little bit and I just sprinkle it on the eggs, or you can just sprinkle it right on the guac. Now you have a brunch that's going to fill you up, that's going to make you feel good, but it's not going to get you heavy and bloaty with like all the fried, greasy stuff. So I love this meal. Again, eggs, the rice veggies, a side of guac, and you're ready to rock. And speaking of rocking, I am putting together some of my favorite recipes here in booklets, workouts, motivational cards. So every day you're going to get like affirmations and actions to help us feeling good 50 and over, because life is just getting started. Even my little audio motivational tapes are coming with you. Just write the word boom, BOOM, just write it in the comments below, and you'll be on the early birds notice, because we're going to rock this together. Just write the word boom below, and we're going to do this. Of course, like and subscribe. And if you're digging this, check out the next one.